Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Laura. You should definitely hit that subscribe button down below and come join the family. So today is going to be a start to moving vlogs. We're going to be packing today, decluttering a bunch of stuff. So I wanted to enter the vlog before we get started. If you guys are new here, my husband is in the Navy and we are moving to our next duty station. We are traveling to Georgia. Today is January 15th. We are moving probably mid-March, so we're, need to start packing things. We are collecting a bunch of boxes, things like that. So now it's just, we need to start decluttering and putting things in boxes. So we're gonna start in our guest room that's back here. We have a bunch of boxes that we were collecting, so my husband just threw them in there, so we can't really even walk around. So I'm going to take all the boxes out, and then when my husband gets home, we're gonna take apart the bed that's in there. It's just like one of those platforms, and stand the mattress up so we can at least put the boxes down and start putting things in them. Also gonna declutter that closet that's in there. It's a bunch of our winter things and some miscellaneous things from when I moved out of my parents' house that I literally have not looked at since I moved in with my husband like 2 years ago. So I'm pretty sure half that stuff I'm going to be getting rid of, but I wanted to start the intro, and yeah, so this is going to be part one of our packing, moving vlogs and everything. Is one of our guest rooms, and this is all of my stuff from Christmas that I have not even gone through. So basically I wanted to just do an overview of like what's in here and everything like that. So this desk thing, we're gonna toss it. This is all my Cricut stuff, so that can all go into a box as well. I think I'm going to try and sell this picture as well, and those two ankle weights. I'll go through all of my Christmas stuff, and then this closet is actually scary. Okay, so here's our closet. So like all of this stuff up here is basically from like here over is from my parents' house, from my room in their house. So I need to go through all that stuff up there, and I'm sure there's multiple things that I can get rid of. This also I have to go through, and then this is my husband's, so I don't know what he has in there. And then these are all basically like it's our winter closet, so I'm gonna go through and see if there's anything that I can get rid of, and he needs to go through his stuff as well. And then all down here are, I'm sorry, I have you guys on the tripod, it's a little tricky. All down here are boots, like my summer shoes, high heels, things like that. And then over here, all my husband's like hunting boots. Anyone else keep their Apple product boxes? Because you just can't get rid of them.
You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just won't live out, yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you. Stop
we made progress. So we have one box down there that's full of our shoes that were from here. That is all cleared. We got rid of a bunch of stuff in here, all the shoes. And then in our room, we did a very good job with all of the stuff up here. These are all like my fancy shoes that stay in boxes. So they're good for right now. Went through all of those. Went through our dresser. Went through this. And the outcome of all of that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one down there too, so 6. 6 boxes. These shoes are going as well. And yeah, so we are gonna take a break and we need to go get packing tape and some lunch. And I believe it's like 1:30, I wanna say. So I think we started at like 11:30, so, well, I did. So that's very good for us. But we're gonna go get some lunch and we need some tape because I can't close any of the boxes. And then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do this and get this out of here as well. And my camera is blinking at me, so let's go.
At 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be a friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed.
Hi, hello guys. So a long time no vlog because I have just been not about it. So the beginning of this vlog is going to be back in January when we started attempting to pack things. So that's where that footage came from. And now, guys, it's February 7th. We're like down to a month and a half before we're moving and we need to start doing things and getting things set. So I am trying to take it one step at a time for myself so I don't get overwhelmed, and I feel like that's what happened at the beginning of the vlog, that I was trying to do like everything at once and I got overwhelmed and I just didn't want to do it ever again. So we are going to start just decluttering things. Nothing has to be actually packed into boxes, is what I'm telling myself. So we're just gonna start decluttering stuff. So the island right here, that is being sold, so I need to basically clear out things in here that I don't even know what's in here, declutter it. I want to go through these 2 drawers here. They have random stuff in it as well. We have like 4 different junk drawers in our kitchen, but it's fine. I also want to go through this drawer. And then I also need to go through the table in the dining room. Yes, it has clothes on it, per usual. What's new? I want to go through the 4 drawers that are in this table because that also has junk in it. Update. I got rid of the table, and y'all know, if you have been here since the beginning, I despised that table, so it is finally gone and I am so happy. Hello, Bobo. Also, I made myself a list. I also want to do my bathroom. Under that little like bench thing we have back there is basically all of my stuff, and I just want to go through that and get rid of things that I don't need. Also want to go through my jewelry because I have jewelry from like high school in my jewelry box. Don't know why. I'm a hoarder. I can't get rid of things, so that's in there. Like old stuff that I don't wear, and I need to make space for stuff that I do wear. So that's my priority. I'm getting a very late start to the day. It is 1:30. But it's fine. I had to do some things actually this morning for moving wise purposes, so I have a lot of that stuff done. And yeah, update you guys. It's February 7th. We did get offered a apartment last night. It's not what we were wanting, but it's looking very slim that we will get basically what we're in right now, which is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, which is fine. You know, we were very blessed here. But anyway, we got offered that, so I was like signing papers for that, looking for hotels and storage and things like that down in Georgia. That's what I was doing this morning. So now let's get into it. I'm gonna stop rambling, and we're gonna start in the kitchen since I'm already down here with the like 6-7 drawers. And yeah, let's get it done.
I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I just need some closure. I'll pull you close, like you to me, babe. I just need some closure. I need some closure. Like you to me, babe. I just need some closure. When I know you don't want me, 'cause I've been going fast and you wanna go slowly. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Tell me how you feel. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I say the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we can rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses.
Okay, that was not bad. I still have stuff like on the counters that my husband needs to go through because I don't know what they are. But the mask era, I'm sort of done. I should have took it before, but this is like all wine stuff and things like that. And then this is just like random stuff that was there. And so now we shall move on to, honestly, this, I'm saying honestly this drawer isn't bad, but then I can't even open it. This stuff in here is just like really random and we don't use it, and there are some things that can be just like tossed and given away that I know that we won't need for the next place that we move. So I'm gonna just go through this really quickly.
I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I just need some closure.
To the dining room drawers. They're not too bad, but there is stuff in all 4 of them. This table does have 4 drawers, so I need to pull the table out to get to the other 2 and then go through those. Okay, so we're upstairs in my bathroom with terrible lighting, but I want to, sorry, my phone. I want to go through this cabinet thing. Ooh, too bright. I want to go, ignore, but I want to go through this down here, and I might actually get one of like the small boxes we have and just start putting stuff in there, because I honestly don't use that stuff like daily, and that can definitely be boxed. So
I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. And the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over. Just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat.
I left out my straightener, blow dryer, and my curling wand. And then this is like our swimming kit, like random stuff. That's my husband's. This is my makeup bag that I like bring everywhere. Contacts, and then random hairspray. And then that is the like standard shower head that came with where we're living, and we changed it out. So we have to put them back when we leave. So yeah, that looks great. This box I was able to almost fill, but now I'm gonna actually go in here as well and just like see what else I can fill with this box. Okay guys, this is like actually embarrassing how like there's so much random stuff in here. Obviously I have an issue. I was like obsessed with makeup back in like high school and things like that, so I have so much stuff. I definitely need to go through all of this and see what's here. And this is just like random like everyday stuff, like, you know, dry shampoo, hairspray, more hairspray. I think I was trying to do something, I don't know what's happening, but we're gonna go through this and get everything situated and see what we can toss and all of that good jazz.
I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. The night is young. We do it on repeat. Celebrate, celebrate, we should celebrate, celebrate. 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 We should celebrate, celebrate.
Okay guys, progress is being made. We're doing good. She looks great. I got all my lipstick to fit in here. Random razor, things like that. And then these are like highlighters and toners. And then I got my makeup palettes down to looking like that. I got all of my face masks and things like that in here. And then this is all like face wash, like my eyelashes, nose strips, clean my brush thingy, clips, things like that down here. And then here is my pile of stuff. So let's see, like lipsticks and all of this stuff, it's just gonna get thrown out because it's dried out and gross. These I'll put probably like in a donation bin or something because, you know, it's eyeshadow palettes and stuff, so that's cool. This box is probably good. I could probably add a few more things that I might find in my jewelry box I don't need in there, but so far that is almost done. And this is a pile of garbage. So I'm not going to show you guys me decluttering this, but it's like in a weird spot and I don't feel like moving it around because it's heavy. But I have all of these drawers full of stuff, like you don't even know. The sides open with stuff on each side, and then the top opens with random stuff. So that's what it's looking like, and I'll show you guys the end when I finish. Okay guys, progress has been made. We got some stuff up there. These drawers are 100% much better. And I have like 3 necklaces in each side of this. So I think this might be all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Back on my game of like moving and getting content out for you guys. So definitely follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and definitely hit the subscribe button here. And I will see you guys in my next video.